On the Pfaff Quilt Envision 2.0 sewing machine, you can lower the feed dogs very simply. And when would we know to lower the feed dogs? So right now on the straight stitch, you will notice that there's little teeth showing. That means that they're engaged. The little symbol above it, by the way, that is to have the IDT engaged, like the dual feed part of the machine. That helps keep the fabric kind of moving smoothly. But for example, sometimes I lower my feed dogs when I free motion quilt and also when I sew on buttons. Stitch number 39 is the button sewing stitch, and notice the symbol here. See how there's a line and the feed dogs are below it? That indicates that I need to lower the feed dogs. Let me show you how that's done. First off, take the accessory box off the machine, and you'll be able to reach right behind it, but let me show you what it looks like. There's a lever back here. This lever is going to be slid towards the inside of the machine, and you heard a little click. Those are the teeth going down. Now let me show you a trick. When you go to raise them back up and you push the lever back to the other side, nothing happens until you actually take a stitch. So some people like to see the feed dogs come up, so all you have to do is take a stitch or sew, or you can hand turn the machine one stitch until you see the teeth come back up above the throat plate.